Guys, in this video we are going to see the circular convolution of x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1 and h of n is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3 will be written in a matrix. Next step, this one will goes to the second row, second column, first row. Okay, the last one should be written 1, and next thing we have to proceed from the upper side, that 1 and 1. Next 2 should be written below the 1, 3 should be written below the 2. So this one should go to the upper side, and 1, 2, 3, like in this way we have to write. Next 3 should be go upper, 3, 1, 1, sorry, this is 1, 2. On the next time 2 should be gone upper, 2, 3, 1, 1. The h of n should be as such. Then we have to multiply x of n and h of n in the way, you know, the multiplication, matrix multiplication. So 1 should be multiplied with 1 plus 1 into 2, 3 into 2, 2 into 1. Next, second row and the column matrix, 2 into 1, 1 into 2, again 1 into 2, 3 into 1. Third row and the column, 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 2, 1 into 1. Then I'll give some bits for checking. Actually, we can check from the starting state itself. So how we can check is, we have to check the diagonal components first. First, diagonal values at the first. So if you find the matrix here, the 1, 1, 1, 1, so the diagonal elements are the same. If you have correctly drawn that, it should be the same, the 1, 1, 1. The next it is 2, 2, 2. Next 3, 3, and here it is 3, 3. So the diagonal elements should be the same. If we have correctly drawn this matrix, it should be the same. The next it is, after checking it, you see it is 1, 2, 1, h of n, 1, 2, 2, 1. So it is 1, here it is 2, it should be the 2, it should be the 2, and it should be the 1. So the h of n element values, they are the same values. Yeah, next it is 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 plus 6, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 2, it is the 11. Answer is 11. Next 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, it is 9. 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, it is 10. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, it is 11, sorry, 7 plus it is actually 4, so 11, 11 plus 1, it is the 12, the value it is 12, the lowest value it is 12. So this is all for the matrix method. This is all for matrix method. While going for graphical method, we can see the graphical method by in two ways. You should have the x of n and h of n values. X of n should be written in an clockwise way, anti-clockwise way, and h of n should be written in an clockwise way. or this method is also called as concentric circle methods. We have to draw two circles, one circle for x of n and another circle for y of n or h of n, whichever. The outermost circle should be written in an anti-clockwise way. The values are x of 0 is equal to 1. Should be written in an anti-clockwise way. X of 1, it should be 2. X of 2, it is equal to 3. X of 3 is equal to 1. The outer circle should be written in an anti-clockwise way and inner circle should be written in a clockwise way. You have to start where the outer circle x of 0 is equal. In that way you have to start. In that point you have to start h of n or x of n, x2 of n. It is written in a clockwise manner. So 1, 2, 1, and you have to multiply x of 0 and x of 0 and h of 0. So y of 0 is equal to these two values, 1 into 1, and again another two values, 1 into 2, and here it is actually 1 into 2, and another it is 3 into 2, another it is 2 into 1. So the answer it is 1 plus 2, 3, 6 and 11. So next time on the next circle you have to keep the first circle as such. Anti-clockwise circle should be as such. You should change the clockwise circle in an anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise should be keep as such. Change the inner circle in an anti-clockwise direction. While changing the anti-clockwise direction, this one will go upwards. So 1. And this one will go in terms of the left hand side, 1, and 2 bring to 2, and the two lower 2 will bring on to right hand side. So you multiply this 1 into 2, so 2 plus 2, 3 plus another 2, 2. So the answer will be 9. Next, keeping the outer circle as such, anti-clockwise circle should be as such. Inner clockwise circle should be turned around in anti-clockwise direction. So this one bring on to the left hand side 1, and the left hand side 1 should be bring to down, and 2 should be brought to right hand side, and the right hand side 2 should be at the top. So again you multiply the values. Y of 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 4, plus 3, plus 1, plus 2. So finally the values are 10. And for again 4 times fourth shifting. For fourth shifting as such, outer circle should be kept as such. So 2, 3, 1 and 1. Anti-clockwise circle should be as such. The inner circle should be again changed in clockwise direction. So the 2 to the left hand side, 1 down, and 1 to the left, right. Okay, fine. So y of 3 is equal to 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1. So which is equal to, answer it is 12. So finally you have to write y of n is equal to y of 0, the value it is 11, y of 1, the value it is 9 actually, y of 2, the value it is 10, and y of 3, the value it is 12. So in this way we have to write down the answers y of n. If you check matrix method and graphical method should be give the same answers. It should give the same answers. This is circular convolution. No, you should give the same answers. Another one more thing it is. So suppose you are having your x of n as 4 samples. Supposing 1, 2, 3 and 4, y and h of n, you are having only 2 samples, 1 and 2. If you want to find the matrix method, you have to zero pad 2 zeros. Why it is your x of n has 2 zeros, so you have 4 values, so h of n only having 2 values. In order to tally that, you have to add 3 zeros. अचो